Okay, let's assemble this bad boy. There's the floor with everything attached to it. Windowsill, much easier to do when it's flat, and door parts. And you can see that I'm letting the back wall sit on two pieces of wood and using these, which are tight, but they're tight for a reason. They should be snug. And the reason for that is that it fits really comfortably. Now I'm putting some wood straps and some spare pieces just around the window wall so that I can push down. You can see those teeth are going to pop into those holes there, lining up carefully, pushing them in, and you can be firm, don't be too firm, but you can be firm enough so that it fits in comfortably, and then these should be really secure. And you can see there's a little gap there. What I do now is turn around and then use the strength of the frame itself to pop these through. You might find that wood splinters a little bit, but it's MDF, so it's built with glued together layers. But actually, when it's popped through, these are really secure. So you can see it bubbling just slightly at the sides, but that sort of locks it in place. And now it's really nice and secure. Very simply, you can see how that fits. And now I've got the top that I've actually decorated there, and I'm going to use glue for this part. So I'm just going to pop some glue. I didn't put the lights in, you'll notice, because that's for afterwards when it's constructed and assembled. And you'll also notice that the two pieces that I've got underneath are for the edging, for the trim at the front. But for now, though, I'm popping the ceiling framework carefully on top, and I'm going to hold it in place. It'll dry fairly quickly. Again, I'm not using wood glue, I'm using my clear PVA. It glues really efficiently and quickly. There we go, very pleased with that. I can show you now. The model is almost ready. And now you can see you've got the trim edges that sit on the side there. And the shorter one obviously is for the front. I've decorated these black so that they frame the model. And again, a little run of glue along the edge. And I'm going to place these really carefully. And you do the same on the other side, and you'll end up with a delightful model to fill with objects and puzzles.